Allen, the running back. Jets have crowded the line again. They've blitzed a few times. They're coming again. They're all coming. Trevor scrambling out to his left. Now he just fires it deep downfield. Once Parker Washington makes the catch. Play fake. Trevor drops. Looks. Fires into the end zone. That ball's going to be... Now Etienne motions to the backfield. Play fake. Rolling to the right is Trevor. Firing downfield. That ball's going to be caught. Rolling. Now he steps forward. Trevor's going to run it if he wants. He's going to run it forward. He's along the left side. Day on the First Coast, we welcome you to Everbank Stadium. This is a football team that's earned its way to first place, and yet part of this streak is the quarterback. Trevor Lawrence playing very well.
Let's go. Have fun, all right? Have fun.
Yeah, he's been really good the last 2 weeks, back-to-back 100 passer rating games, and you want him to keep that trend rolling, especially today, as the Jets QB situation is a major problem. They need to come out and put it on the Jets.
Yeah, let's go, baby. Ain't nothing left to be said. Fly around, kick some ass, just be us.
Going to be caught. That's going to be a first down. That's Jacoby Myers. Great job by Trevor. Fires downfield. That ball's going to be caught. That's Brian Thomas Jr. He's got it inside the 25-yard line. Trevor drops. Look, fires into the end zone. That ball's going to be caught. Touchdown.
How good is that? I almost got a heart attack, Frank. Quantez Stiggers was defensive back on Trevor's right side, and Trevor did not see him, but somehow Trevor got right by him, and Brian Thomas Jr. has great concentration to make that catch because Stiggers was right in the field of view to make that catch.
They run it with Hall. He's drilled in the backfield. The Jags weren't waiting around. Eric Murray blew him up. They run a sweep to Hall. He gets hit in the backfield. I mean, Trayvon got him inside the 40-yard line, and the ball goes over on downs.
Okay, come on. I don't know why they want to throw me. I just told him not to go for it.
Play fake. Trevor drops. Steps up. Fires deep downfield. That ball's going to be caught. What a pitch and catch that was. Going up to get it with Jacoby Myers. Dropping to Trevor. Gets the four-man rush. Ball fake. Scrambling left. Now scrambling back to the right. Now he steps forward. Trevor's going to run it if he wants. He's going to run it forward. He's along the left sideline. Trevor's into the end zone. Touchdown! What a play by Trevor Lawrence. He ran it in, and they've extended the lead.
Well, give his offensive line credit now. They were blocking their tails off for him once he was in the pocket as well as when he was leaving the pocket.
Guys, this has been a perfect start for the offense. Just a mix of play-action passes, occasional runs, but attacking the middle of the field. We've seen the Jaguars' offense improve dramatically over the course of the season, and a lot of it is because Trevor Lawrence is in a great rhythm.
Hey, what'd you say, Nick? Just driving the freaking car, man. Awesome job. Great drive. How to make it right, boys. That's how to make it right, boys. Great job, man. Great job, boys. That's how to play, man. That's how to play.
That is caught. Jacoby Myers on a crossing route. He's got it into Jets territory inside the 35. Play fake. Rolling to the right is Trevor. Firing downfield. The ball's going to be caught. Rolling into the end zone. That's going to be a touchdown for Bayshell Tootin.
Got him. Oh, touchdown! Hey, great catch, man.
Etienne in the backfield and then goes wide like it's a swing pass. All the defenders go to Etienne. Well, they ignored Bashal Tootin in that 21 pony outfit, and he was wide open for Trevor.
Boy, is Liam Cohen in his bag today.
I thought you were going to drop it when you hit the ground. I was like, whoa, whoa, whoa. It was whoa. I made it hard on you.
Third down, Lawrence rolling the pocket, just throws it up for grabs, and it's caught inside the 20-yard line. Parker Washington somehow got open. I don't know how.
Parker Washington comes all the way across the formation. The Jets are underneath it, but look at Lawrence as he's getting hit.
Wow.
I couldn't believe he even tried that throw, and it was perfect.
That down too loud, boy. That down too loud, boy.
I'm thinking takeaway right here, Frankie, getting another possession here before the half expires against a rookie quarterback who is a little bit of a deer in the headlights.
Intercepted. Jeff Longman just called for it. He just called for a takeaway, and Monteric Brown just got it at the 46-yard line of the New York Jets.
That's a crazy He's got his hand under it.
Wow.
That's an amazing catch.
I think he did catch it. At this body posture right there, I'm thinking there's no chance he caught it. Oh my goodness, what a pick.
Trevor drops, four-man rush. Steps up again. He's going to run it. All kind of room. 45, 40, 35. This is a good run by Trevor. He's down to the 32-yard line.
That was a tip by LeQuinn. That bit don't play, boy. That bit don't play, boy.
Touchdown! They snuck Travis Etienne out of the backfield, and he scored a touchdown with 21 seconds to play and a half. How good is that?
Worse,
No, he should not.
Man, do it, relax. I ain't let you have that in your bag, though. Relax. I ain't got time to relax. Who the running backs do like today? Oh, so y'all can catch down. All right.
Tell 3-6 to put those boys on. Man, they on the ground, ribs up.
That's amazing by the coaching staff, seeing that the Jets are playing a ton of man, and they dial up a play that they can get Etienne against Quincy Williams in a one-on-one situation, and Trevor throws an absolute strike for the touchdown.
The Jags have dominated the football game as you hope they would. Once again, a lot of scoring by that offense. 31 points. Trevor Lawrence was terrific. Monteric Brown with a huge play at the end of the half, picked off a pass that set up the Jaguars' last touchdown. They lead comfortably 31-10. They are trying to get to 10 wins for the first time since 2017 and only the second time since 2007. Great work.
Hey guys, and as animated speech as I've heard them going to give the team, each said, let's go beat a net with a sledgehammer. We're going to keep doing what we do, and they have to adjust.
Sack! And it's Gordek got him. He tackled him from behind. Play fake. Trevor drops again. Looking again. Fires it deep downfield. What's Brian Thomas Jr.? Brian makes the catch. He's got it along the far sideline. That'll be a first down. 38 yards on the game. Dropping. Looking. Fire. That's Etienne in the middle of the field. Caught! Touchdown!
Just get around that defensive end.
Hey, yeah, so he pushed me wide.
Yeah.
When I see him, I just say, okay.
Thank God.
Etienne comes out of the backfield, acts like he's going to run to the flat, plants his foot, comes back to the inside. It's wide open. That's the third touchdown catch of the ball game by Jaguars running backs. 2 by Etienne right there.
He is going to get hit. He's going to get sacked. The Jags got him. B.J. Green, the rookie, got him.
Congratulations to B.J. Green. That's his first career sack in the National Football League.
Yeah!
Play fake, he's going to drop the throw again. Fires downfield, wide open. That's Brenton Strange with the catch inside the 20 to the 15-yard line, and another big gainer. Cam kicks it up. The field goal is good, and that is the season high in points for the Jaguars, and we are still in the third quarter. LeQuinn gets it from the 5-yard line, 20-yard line, 25-yard line. That's LeQuinn Allen. He's still on his feet, 40-yard line. LeQuinn Allen, the 45, into Jets territory. What a return by LeQuinn Allen. Got it all the way to the 44 of the Jets. That is a terrific return. This is Travis Etienne was running to the 40, 35-yard line. Inside of it, stays on his feet, 30-yard line, 25.
I'll get to another one. I'll get to another one.
Along the near sideline, 10, 5, touchdown! Travis Etienne has scored again from 45 yards away.
I'll get to another one, man. Get to another one. Hat trick, Muff. Hat trick, Muff.
Do I even need to say anything? Great job. Great job.
Season high in yardage output, a season high passing yards for Trevor Lawrence. This offense has just been dominant today.
Freaking go, man. Hell yeah. I'm receiving today, coach.
Trevor hard as hell coming for Clemson too. Don't let you have and we got a good running back. So he ran the way he running now. That just make defense got to play him and running backs. And then you got BTJ down. You got these receivers. Well, it can't be.
The Jags blitz here, and they're going to hit him and sack him. I mean, Eric Murray came flying out of that safety spot. Looking, throws it toward the back of the end zone, and that's going to be picked off by Ventrell Miller. And we'll take it, another takeaway for the Jaguars defense. They blitz him this time, firing it downfield, and that ball is going to be intercepted by the Jaguars. Antonio Johnson just went up and got it, didn't he? What an athlete this guy is, and what a way to close this thing out. He picked it off at the 24-yard line, and the Jags will take over right there. What a day for this Jaguar team. What a season for this Jaguar football team. I mean to tell you, they're going to win this one 48-20 against the Jets. The 5th win in a row, the 6th in the last 7 games. Get on board, folks. If you haven't figured it out, these Jaguars in the first year under Tony Baselli, James Gladstone, and Liam Cohen, this team is for real, and I think the league has found that out.
I don't think there's any doubt. And we talked at the beginning about this football team taking care of business, showing maturity, respecting the opponent, protecting the football. And you could check mark everything off of what we were talking about this team needing to do. And that's the impressive thing. I think every week this head coach has gotten this football team ready to play at a high level, and they have come through. Credit to Trevor Lawrence today. I mean, great game. But I want to give also some kudos to Travis Etienne. It wasn't getting done on the ground, but as a receiver out of the backfield, Etienne just absolutely lit it up. Big-time stuff by a player that's been a big part of this offensive resurgence.
Next week will be another one of those respect games. Nobody's going to pick the Jags to win that game. We're headed to Rocky Mountain country with a chance to show so much to so many. And these Jags look like they're a team that's going to be ready for it, don't they?
I know one thing. This Jaguars football team is going to show up in Denver ready to play a good football game because that's what they do.
total touchdown. TJ, 3 receiving touchdowns. 3 interceptions on defense. We asked you to come out and take care of business. Asked you to do that. Every time we get what we emphasize with this group. Every single time. You guys continue to elevate and raise the standard. And that's pretty damn fun to watch, guys. It's pretty damn fun to be a part of. And all we continue to do is get better. We keep getting better as a team. And that's all we can truly ask for, guys. Keep this going, guys. Man, it's fun watching y'all play football, man. It's fun watching y'all play football. Really proud of you guys, man. Very proud to be your coach. You guys keep getting better and do everything we ask you to do, and that's pretty fun to watch, man. Really fun to be a part of. I love you guys.
Jags on 3, 1, 2, 3. Jags strength.